Well, BMJ has existed since 1840, so for over 170 years. And I believe we've always had an affinity with healthcare professionals here in India. And we made a commitment to opening an office in India around 10 years ago with the recruitment of a country manager, Mr. Prashant Mishra, who joined us to explore what the opportunities were for BMJ in India. And we realised that there was a real opportunity and a great opportunity for BMJ to work with healthcare professionals here in India to collaborate and to help us achieve what really drives BMJ as an organisation, which is our vision of a healthier world. At BMJ, we don't do anything unless it fits in some form or other towards achieving our vision of a healthier world, and that's a really important aspect of any interaction that you have with BMJ. So we started 10 years ago, and now we have around 25 staff based here in Delhi, in Mumbai and in Bangalore. And we've developed a range of products specifically for the India market, but also we're developing products here which we're now exporting to the rest of the world. Well, of course, we have our flagship publication, The BMJ, and we also produce a local edition specifically for the South Asia market. We have over 70 journals, one of which was conceived and developed and launched here in India. And we have a range of other activities with our clinical decision support tools, our education and our live events, which includes courses in diabetes, for example. Well, we're so proud of the work that we're doing with the BMJ Awards because 10 years ago we launched an awards ceremony in the UK and we received around 300 entries. We decided after 5 or 6 years that we wanted to launch an awards here in India to really recognise the excellence that's occurring here in Indian healthcare. In that first year, we received more submissions for entries to the awards than we ever had received in the UK awards, and we received over 500 in year 1, 900 in year 2, 1,500 in year 3, and this year it's a record of over 2,000 entries to the awards, which is a wonderful example of the collaboration really between BMJ and the Indian healthcare community. So we're very excited about the awards this year. Those 2,000 entries have been shortlisted down to just 30. We have a judging day here where all of the shortlisted entries come in and present their ideas, and largely we're looking to recognise excellence in teamwork wherever possible. They'll be presenting their submissions to the judging panel on Friday, and then on Saturday is the awards ceremony, a very glitzy and glamorous evening, which is fun for everybody. But the most important part of that is that we recognise the winners of those awards. We have a very rigorous process for our BMJ Awards. I know that there are lots of awards ceremonies around the world, and sometimes perhaps there can be a little meaningless without the rigour of a peer review process that goes into our awards. So those 2,000 entries all get reviewed in advance of being shortlisted. Then they come in and present to a panel of experts, which is made up of the editor-in-chief of the BMJ, other senior BMJ colleagues, as well as our editorial board, as well as experts throughout Indian and South Asian healthcare. So we're really keen to ensure that the standards and the quality and the recognition of the work that's being done here is validated through a very rigorous peer review process.